Hi, this is Anna from Zenda, and this is a demo of Zenda Ship, Zenda's new shipping dashboard. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to ship your orders with Zenda. So first, log into your dashboard. Once you've connected your store to Zenda Ship, you'll be able to see all the orders from your store. Here are all the ones from my Magento 2 store. You can also filter by destination, by webshop if you have multiple ones connected, and also by date. So I'm going to ship order number 5. You can display more information on this order by clicking on the plus button as well. This is my parcel packing page. On the left, you can see the consignee address, which is where the order is going to. My unpacked items with the SKU and description, which are all the items that need to be packed. On the right, you have your parcels. You can select the parcel type from the packaging types that you have saved already in the packaging page. And you can adjust the dimensions and the weight. So once you've introduced an item in a parcel, click Pack. That makes it go over to the other side to show you that it's gone inside the parcel in the system. The weight goes up automatically with the weight of the item as well. When you're ready, click Finish Packing Order to retrieve your parcel labels. Once you've got your parcel labels, you can click Print on each one. So here's an example of a label for the UK. You can also print your commercial invoice so you can place it inside of the parcel. Or you can simply click on Download All, which downloads a zip file with all your labels. So I'm going to pack another order, this time one going to France. So let's click on order number 30. In this case, I've got 8 items to pack. Not all of them fit into the one parcel, so I'm going to type 4 and pack 4 items into parcel 1. Then create a new parcel, so click on New, and pack the rest of the items into that second parcel. Once you're ready, click on Finish Packing Order once again. So you can see there that you've got your parcel 1 labels and your parcel 2 labels. I'm going to show you what a label going to France looks like. So this one uses Hermes as a last mile supplier. So I'll just close that and click on Download All again so I can print them all out later. Once you have no more orders to pack, you're ready to close out. So go back to your homepage and click on Close Out a Shipment. There you can see your open manifest or shipment with the 3 parcels that I just packed for orders 5 and 30. I can click here to reprint a label or just go ahead and close out. This is your piece packing page. A piece is simply an outer bag or an outer container that you place your parcels inside of. In this case, I'm only shipping 3 parcels and they all fit into the one piece. So I'll type 1 and click Select. Next, I can select my piece type, which again are the types you can configure in your packaging page. You can adjust the dimensions and add the total weight of the piece. Lastly, check all of these declarations. If you need more information on what one of them means, just click on the information icon. And when you're ready, click on Book and Get Labels. Okay, here are my piece labels. I'll show you what the Airway bill label looks like. The consolidation manifest contains all the information that your shipment needs to clear customs. And here's your piece or first mile label. Just like with your parcel labels, you can click on Download All to download all the labels in one go. The last thing I'm going to show you is what this now looks like back in your e-commerce store. Zenda Ship is synced up with your store, so the status of your order will update automatically. So I'll look for order 30. As you can see, the status is now complete because you closed out that shipment. To track it, click on the order and scroll down to shipping and handling information. And if you click on Track Order, that will open up a window with all your Zen tracking numbers, which is what you can pass on to your customer so they can check the status of their parcel at each step of its journey. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this demo. Make sure you check out all the other demos in Zenda.global.